my bird feeder called One for the Wood. It's just the eye hook in there. I probably haven't been back there for about 2 seasons, so as you can see we got a bit of debris which Emid likes playing with. So I just cut it down a little bit, leaving 1 or 2 so they can have a little perch on and then go down on it. But like I say, that's the eye hook. I leave that one there, but so it's just get my the one I make, which is already a clip on it, and just say these are just Caribbean clips I buy cheap, which is just an easier job, and then it's less chance of it coming off, because like I say I used to hang them on the roof so it's going there, but I think it was just good shaking them off and I'd go and then next thing's gone, so that is a bit more secure and stable now. And that's it. Just leave that there, and like I say, the woodpeckers, because I have stood back in a few and watched, but the woodpeckers love this stuff. So do a lot of birds, but that would definitely attract the woodpeckers, especially where we are, because we're not in the town hall, you know.